Guys, Sirocco the Punisher here. Today I just want to show you how to import videos and photos from your Canon G7X to your PC or Mac. And here is my iMac. So the first thing you have to do is you can notice that in your G7X you got here a micro USB port like this. So I'm using a micro USB cable. To be honest, I use my GoPro micro USB cable, so it can fit the Canon. So you put it like this, and then the only thing you can do is just to press this button, the presentation button, like this, and as you can see, it pop-ups and a green light like this, and then the photos application just pop-ups open automatically. As you can see, we got an LED green light here, and something very important is that this is a compact camera, so this does not charge with a cable from your PC like your phone or like the GoPro. So when your photos and video being imported on your PC, you have to just unplug it, because you're gonna lose all your battery. And then when you're finished, you just press like the presentation button again, and the camera is turned off. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.